as we're walking on this tour, as the very beginnings of this tour, I'm manually breathing. Like, I'm standing in the back of this group, people can hear me going, yeah, like, it's horrible. That being said, got to see the Colosseum, got to
Got to be in the
see
Coliseum.
got to be in the Colosseum, which was really cool.
Yep.
We got to see,
You're not gonna remember any of
help me
these
out, help me out.
things.
The Trevi Fountain,
We did see the Trevi Fountain, but
it was not on.
it was being cleaned, which really sucked.
We got to go to the Vatican.
That was not.
That was
this day.
That was that day.
We did
We
go
got
to the Vatican.
go to the Vatican.
We Yep. Continue.
There was the, was it the Pantheon?
Yeah, we went to the Pantheon.
Went to the Pantheon. Like, it was just really cool, like, all encompassing. Like, hey, we're gonna do this. We're gonna show you all the big sites in Rome, but it just happened to be a 6-hour walking tour on the day that I had the absolute worst hangover of my life.